guys, let us continue with the continuation of our shop drawing for the soil piping. First floor, this ladies toilet already over in our previous tutorial, so this is the final and last one for the gents toilet, first floor. Similarly, what you have to do, simply select this, all the polylines, select this one. Okay, simply select and change the line type style first. Okay, go to this property and select here line type style to by layer. Okay, now simply select and explode it. Okay, please select and explode. Okay, now simply offset this. So offset is 1110 divided by 2. Okay, simply select, press this side, select, press this side. Simply offset this one. It's very easy. Okay, you need to offset only. After that way you have to fix the fitting. So I am going to be offset only. Okay, and here can offset like this. Okay, so it's over. Now we are going to copy these fittings. Simply select these fittings, select from here, select the end cap also. Okay, so simply select from the center. Okay, and place it here. There you go. Okay, now simply move this one, select this, move from the center. Okay, move it down. Okay, now what you will do, this end cap need to be moved down because this end cap is going to be used here. Okay, now we have to trim the extra line. So TR, select the edge, cutting edge. Okay, then enter. Okay, and simply erase this extra line. Okay, now we have to use the match command. So simply type MA and select this one. Type MA, select the source object and select this destination. Okay, just showing this axis. Okay, now from here you need to copy this one. So simply copy these fittings, copy these fittings, copy from the center line and paste it here. There you go. Okay, okay, now simply move this one down. These two fittings need to be moved. So simply select this point. Okay, center of this branch and move it down. Very good. Okay, now TR, so simply trim the extra line. So TR cutting edge and this cutting edge and this cutting edge. Okay, so trim this one and trim this one. Simply select this extra line and need to be erased. Okay, there you go. Now what you will do, you need to move this little bit this side because it's not perfectly at center. Okay, so move this one. Now trim the extra line, so TR, enter and erase. Okay, so these also need to be moved little bit, so what you do, simply select this one, okay, and move from here to here. Okay, there you go. Now simply extend this, so need to be extend and also need to be extend. Okay, now TR, double enter, trim the extra line. Okay, very good. Okay, so now what we will do, simply copy this one. Already this one fixed, so this time you need to copy only. I'm going to copy from here this center line and simply place it here. Oh, there you go. Okay, so simply place it here to each branch. Okay, it's going to be placed. There you go. Okay, so simply now trim this and select the cutting edge. This is the cutting edge. Okay, please select the cutting edge and trim the extra line. Okay, so this one going to be trimmed. Okay, this also need to be trimmed, also this one need to be trimmed. Now simply select the extra line and erase it, so simply select, type E, enter. Okay, there you go. Okay, so this is very simple and you can do it very fast, quickly, because see how it's simple. Only simply copy and paste. Okay, one need to be first time only you need to be place. Okay, and remaining you need to copy paste only. So your end cap need to be copied from here. Okay, and simply place it here. Okay, now move this to 50 mm, so simply 50 mm, press the 50. Now erase this. Okay, now simply trim extra line. Okay, so from this side it's going to be over. Now what you will do, we are going to copy this one, simply erase this. Okay, and simply extend this first. Simply extend this one. Okay, now what you will do, simply copy this from here. Okay, simply copied it from the center point. Okay, and place it here. There you go. Okay, and this need to be extended. Okay, there you go. Okay, so this side already finished. Now we are going to move this side. So what you do, simply copy this Y branch, also this one, move it down. Okay, here. Now what you will do, simply mirror this one, so type MI, use mirror command, enter first point then second point. Okay, and erase the source object, so press yes. Okay, now you need to move this fitting down, so to move this one, simply select the center line, center point, and move it down. Okay, you need to extend this line little bit. Okay, now again you need to select this one. Okay, and then you need to move down. There you go. Okay, now this end cap, where is the end cap? Here. Okay, you need to move this also, move it and place it here. Place it here. Okay, now again move this one at a distance of 50 mm, 50 meter. Take one line from here to here, again one line from here to here. There you go. Okay, now what you will do, simply extend this one because this need to be extended, and okay, and simply erase this to be erased. Okay, also this line to be extended, so it's going to be extended. Okay, now use the trim command. So tr, select the cutting edge, this one to be trimmed. Okay, so this is over. Now you have to use the match command again to show the excess of this pipe. Okay, and you need to copy this fittings also here, from here. Okay, and this also end cap need to be copied. Okay, now you have to mirror this. So what you will do, simply select this one, first point, second point. Here is the source object, and then you have to rotate this. Okay, this one need to be select and rotated. Okay, so what you will do, simply move this one, select this point, and need to be placed here. There you go. Okay, now again you have to move this one. It's very simple. Okay, move, and now you have to select this point and place it here. Okay, and now use match command and match this. Okay, now tr, select the cutting edge. Okay, cutting edge. Okay, simply erase this. Okay, and also this one need to be erased. Okay, now use tr, erase this. It's over. Now what you will do, for this one you need to select this fittings. Okay, and copy from here and place it here. Okay, now you need to mirror this one, so simply type mi, first point, then second point, erase the source object. Okay, now again move, this is the center point, and place it here. Okay, now use the trim command. So tr, enter, select the cutting edge and trim it. Okay, so it's over. Now simply save this. So this is the end of your swell piping shop drawing. So I think you guys learn how to draw the shop drawing, because I have made 2-3 tutorials in this for the swell piping. Now in the next we have to do the waste piping shop drawing. So I think you guys learn how to draw it. So I would like to request you guys once again, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well, and please like and share my video as well, so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. Okay, So thank you once again guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for watching my videos. Thank you, bye bye.